Hey friends, Luck here. So welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna have a look at the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros and the Redmi AirDots 3s. So we're just gonna be looking at the build quality and comparison. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts about the both of them. So first of all, looking at the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros, this really comes in at an amazing design. It's a really complete redesign from all the Redmi products that we had in the past. This looks really beautiful and looks absolutely good. Opening it up, we get the AirPods themselves. They sound absolutely wonderful and absolutely amazing. The noise reduction on this is one of the best that I've seen. It's absolutely wonderful when you put it in your ears, and they do fit in the ears quite comfortably, the two earbuds themselves. So looking at the case, this charges with a USB Type-C connector, which is really good. At the front, you have an indicator button to show you the power and also for pairing with new devices. At the back, we have a minimalistic design with just the Redmi logo on it. So this is the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros. Now, the Redmi AirDots 3 came out earlier this year, more earlier than the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros. When it came out, it was definitely the best option that you could get on a Redmi earbuds. It looks absolutely wonderful. This also charges with a USB Type-C connector. Opening it up, you get your device and you also get the indicator button here to show you the power as well as pairing. Taking out the earbuds themselves, the two earbuds are completely different in their design. For me, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros fit definitely better than the Redmi 3 does. The AirDots 3 Pros definitely fits better in the ears, and even with a few shaking, it doesn't come up. It doesn't come off your ears. It has two colorways, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros. It has the white colorway and the black colorway as well. The Redmi AirDots 3 does have the navy blue colorway. It has the black colorway as well as the pink colorway, so you can choose more color options from the Redmi AirDots 3. So overall, talking about the sound quality, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros definitely has the edge over the Redmi AirDots 3. The AirDots 3 Pros sound absolutely wonderful when you use them. I tend to use the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros more than I use the Redmi AirDots 3, so it's something that I definitely love. I would recommend the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros to anyone. Is one of the best sounding devices that you can ever hear. I'm going to do a little sound test at the end of the video for the both of them, so you guys can decide yourself which one you think sounds better. But for me, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros is definitely the one to go for. Money wise, the difference between the both of them is not that much. In China, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros goes for about 299 RMB, while the Redmi AirDots 3 goes for 199 RMB. For that price, I would definitely recommend anyone goes for the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros. That's definitely one of the best things that you can do for yourself, one of the best decisions that you can make, because it's definitely worth every single penny. It definitely defeats all of the original Redmi products that we had, and like I said, it has a complete redesign when you look at the design quality of the both of them. For me, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro's design is way ahead of the curve. It's something a little bit futuristic and looks absolutely wonderful. But one thing that I do not like about the white colorway of the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros is the fact that it gets scratched easily and it gets dirty easily. So I would definitely recommend you getting the black colorway. That will definitely last longer and will have an amazing colorway. So like I said, we're going to do a sound test for the both of them right now, so you guys can decide which one you want. But for my own personal opinion, the Redmi AirDots 3 Pros is definitely the best device that you can get.